Ebireho nyumwe bazo muri Kampala n'ebintu ebire nibitinisa munonga biteganisa abantu bingi kandi nimpamya ngo security yitu ubwa hati eriyo nekora cyo nekiri kubasika abantu kubakwata akwa abantu abamwe abatire nezo bomo na amwe tubire ntubamanya mu government mu security konka turiyo ntubaronda bariyo bari kwirukanga beshereke bagize so ntubamanya twakongera amamani mingi turenga twabakwata president ebibyona byona nabimanya kandi nwayebembire operation age nwajebembire nko muntu okwa niwegerira mukuru niwe security expert outu inorukiza yo mwihangeri so nimpamye cyo twetaga nabantu kwatanisa tukareba ngo ebibatugambira twabigenderaho haro akatano naza kuba nagamba ho nihanga in statement yashohoza nyekiro konkoro akatano naja kuba nagamba ho nihanga abya corona nimpamya omudyebyo naza kongerana nebya security abigambe.
It's not very easy accessing the work. It's not very easy. We're supposed to drive, but the jam is too much. Almost all roads are halfway closed. Some are fully closed. So when you're coming here and you are on time, because for us right now we are going to Kabale for some investigations regarding road funds. So if you want to be on time, you can leave the vehicle somewhere and then maybe you foot. It's not usual business, You are supposed to adjust accordingly. Yeah.